RetouchXpress is the all-around packaging pre-press toolset for Photoshop, the most popular application for retouchers. RetouchXpress has lots of automations that save you valuable time and make your work super precise to meet the standards of the press. Advanced viewing features simulate exactly what you can expect on the printed packaging material. Define your minimum density and dot gains. RetouchXpress provides a real-time and accurate view of highlight breakouts both for CMYK and spot color inks. Hard plate simulation displays the printing and non-printing areas in a simple black and white mode. The on-screen dot proof gives you more detailed look of the critical parts of your image. Forget the long process of path making and ink mixing. Just click on one of the most common CMYK separations. Auto Triplex reduces CMYK to only 3 process inks by scanning the whole image and intelligently removing one of the gray components depending on the color characteristics of each graphical object. Auto No Black reduces CMYK to only 3 process inks by completely removing black plate, while the composite look of the image perfectly matches the original. In shadows where black ink is really important, you can manually increase the intensity of the 3 remaining inks. With the help of a pre-made path or manually created mask, you can apply special inks in selected areas with just one click. You can change the Pantone number and the contrast manually and mix one or more CMYK components under the spot color to enrich the monochrome look. These separation modes support custom color profile settings too, so your own press color environment can be installed under RX. If you decide to fill up a graphical object, use the minimum dot brush and the auto selection that generates useful selections from the plate informations. Also, for fill-ups, magnetic brush is a great help to make it quickly and precisely without the long masking job. You can clean unwanted pixels by the cleaning tools that can be turned on and off, or deleted any time during the workflow, such as the other changes you make in the image. Auto Clean and Autofill automatically remove standalone 1 pixels. RX offers a fully automatic pixel trapping too. Graphic objects that are made or different inks should overlap or trap each other, especially in flexo printing, where registration is not precise. You can change size, set the trapping inks, and you can create more trap layers that can also be turned on and off later. RetouchXpress covers all steps of the common retouching workflow while storing all changes the retoucher applies on the image. So any job made in RX is fully monitorable and non-destructive. If you are a packaging repress retoucher, add RetouchXpress to your existing Photoshop toolset to save valuable time and increase quality. For more information, trial, customization, and licensing, visit our website, retouchexpress.eu.